Alright, this is the second part of the Astros I've assigned you. So I'm going to go over each of these questions with you. Levi uses counters to show a number sentence. Right? It should say, which number sentence does the model show? Mark your answer. Well, I see I have 10 here, and then I have 5 and 1 more, so I know that's 6. So I know this is 16. So I'm going to look for something that shows 16 basketballs. Now I know he started with 10 balls, and he got 6 more. So I know 10 minus 6 equals 4. Well, we're not subtracting, we're adding, so I'm going to strike through that. Then I see 10 plus 5 equals 15, but it's not 5, this is 6 right here. So I know it's 10 plus 6. So I'm going to strike through that. This says 10 minus 5. I'm not taking away, so I can strike through that. And I'm going to see 10 plus 6 equals 16. So I saw 10 and 6 more, which is 16. So this is the one I'm going to put my check mark in. I have 6 balls. I add 6 more to get 12 balls. I have 13 balls. 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. I take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm left with 5 balls. Erica writes a problem. Bill works at a paint store. He counts 98 cans of blue paint. What is another way to show the number 98? Circle your answer. Well, I'm going to see. This is 90 plus 8, so I know that could be represented as 98. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Ooh, this shows 98. This shows 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This shows 90. I see there are 2 different ways to represent 98, and so I could circle both of these. Erica writes a problem to match this number sentence. Which problem does she write? Mark your answer. There are 7 birds in a tree, then 5 more birds come. How many birds are there in all? There are 7 birds, 5 come. So yes, so 7 plus 5 equals something. There are 12 birds in a tree, 7 fly away. That means I'm losing 7. There are 12 birds in a tree, 7 more birds come. How many birds are coming? So I know that I'm looking to match these sentences, so this is my right answer. Brandon makes a group of quilt pieces. They all have straight sides and 3 vertices. Which shape does not belong in your group? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape does not belong, so I'm going to circle it because it tells me not. I'm looking for the wrong answer. Which has the same sum as 9 plus 10? Mark your answer. Okay, well, I'm going to say 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This does not have the same. Then I have 9 plus 5 plus 5. So I know 5 and 5 is 10 plus 9, which I know is 19. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 0 more is 10. And I know 6 and 3 is 9 plus 9. And I know that's a doubles fact, so that must be 18. So I'm looking for something that's the same as 9 plus 10. So I know it's this answer. Okay. Circle 2 groups of ladybugs to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 14 ladybugs, and I'm going to have to make 2 groups to combine. Here's 8, here's 4, and here's 2. I know 8 and 2 more make 10. Write a number sentence to show how many ladybugs there are in all. Well, I had 8. I joined 2 more to get 10 ladybugs. Shade in the numbers that make a sum of 10. Well, I have 7, 3, and 3. Well, I know 7 and 3 more make 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Use the words or pictures to explain how these number sentences are alike. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 2, which is 12, which is the same as saying 10 plus 2 equals 12. So what I did was I combined these 2 groups of 5 to make a group of 10. So I wrote that this way. Or I could have done with pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Both of these would have been correct ways to show that. I have 13 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. I take away 3. 1, 2, 3. I am left with 10 circles. I have 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 9 I know is a doubles fact, which is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I know 4 and 1 more makes a group of 10. And so I know I have 10 and 5 more, which is 15. Jeff compared two numbers. He said 65 is greater than 56. Is Jeff correct? How do you know? Yes, because 65 has 6 tens, 6 groups of 10, and 56 has 5 groups of 10. Okay, so what time is shown on the clock? My hour hand is pointing to the 3. My minute hand is pointing to the 12. So I know it must be 3 o'clock. Drew baked cookies for her friends. She baked 6 sugar cookies and 8 peanut butter cookies. How many cookies did she bake? Well, she started with 6. She joined 8 more cookies. We're looking for how many she made. Well, I know if I take that I know 8 and 6. So I'm going to draw a picture to help me answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take 2 from over here to make a group of 10. 10 and 4 more is 14. Use the 10 frames to fill in the number that belongs in the box. Well, I have 8 here and I have 5 here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I know my sum is 13. In school, there are 2 classes. The principal gives each class 5 picture books and 3 chapter books. How many books do the class have altogether? Draw a picture to show your answer. Okay, well, he gives us 5 picture books. Picture, 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 picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 chapter. Chapter, chapter, chapter. Now we're going to add these together. So 1, 2, 3. So I have 5 plus 3. And it does not say to do a number sentence, but I am going to help myself, which is 8. Jackie had 2 bags. Okay, well, I know she has 2 bags. In each bag, there were 4 bananas and 2 apples. How many pieces of fruit does Jackie have? Draw a picture, show your answer. She has her 2 bags. She has 4 bananas. B, 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 and 2 apples. A, 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 A. And I'm going to say, okay, well, this is 6 plus 6, which I know is 12. Use the 10 frame to fill in the number that belongs in the box. Below, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know 6 and 5 is 11. Ten plus 7. I can use a 10 frame to help me if I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want 7 more. 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7, I know is 17. I have 16, take away 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Take away 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11. I'm going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm adding 4 more. 12, 13, 14, 15. It's going to get me 15. Joe has a nickel. Which one of these coins does he have? Well, I see this has Thomas Jefferson. It's no neck, so I know that is a nickel, but I'm not done yet. I've got to check my other coins. This says 1 dime, so I know it cannot be a nickel because a dime is worth 10 cents. This has the eagle. I know that cannot be a nickel because it also says $quarter, and that's worth 25 cents. I see the Lincoln Memorial, and this says 1 cent. I know it cannot be a nickel because that's a penny. So my only answer could be this coin. Carrie had 39 marbles. Angelina had 27 marbles. Maria had a number in between, which shows how many marbles Maria has. Well, okay, Carrie has 39, and Angelina has 27. So I'm looking for a number that is less than 39, but greater than 27. 44 is greater than 39, so it cannot be 44. 28 is less than 39, but greater than 27. 26 is less than 39, but less than 27. And 24 is less than 39, but less than 27. So my only answer could be 28. Ella was counting the number of marbles she had. Each bag below contained 10 marbles. How many marbles does Ella have? 10, 20, 30, 40. Ella has 40 marbles. Fill in the blanks. 9 plus 6 and 6 plus 9. Are the sums the same? Okay, so 9 and 6 more is 15, and 6 and 9 more is 15. Yes, they are the same because you can flip the addend. Because you can flip the addends. Draw a number line to show how to solve this number sentence. Okay, so I'm going to draw my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to stop it there. This is one way to do it. Another way I could do it is I could start at 4. Whoops. I can add plus 7, which is going to be 11, and I could have it end on 11, or I could start at 7, and I can do 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is going to get me to 11. Either way, you could do that. Kate is playing a game with a red and blue beanbag. To win, the beanbags must land on a pair of numbers that make 10. What are some of the ways that Kate can make 10? Okay, well, I'm going to say she could do 7 plus 3. She could do 5 plus 5. She could do 8 plus 2. She could do 9 plus 1. She could do 6 plus 4. She could do 2 plus 8. These are some of the options. They are not all. Circle the 2 addends in each number sentence that equal 10. The first one has been done for you. They circle 9 and 1, and I know that's 10. I know 7 and 3 make 10. I know 8 and 2 more make 10. I know 4 and 6 make 10, and I know 5 and 5 make 10.